USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. You can join the free Telegram if you want some free signals. Join the Telegram channel, check out the pro firm and the brokers, sign up with them and start your trading journey. Subscribe, like, it's all free. Coming back to the chart, starting with a top-down approach with weekly time frame. Let's go to weekly chart. Weekly, I think we are trying, we're grinding too much right now, okay? So this was the previous low, which was touched down by this week. And then pull back in weekly, we're coming down again this week. So yeah, we have been grinding the USDJPY so much in weekly. Weekly is down, that's all I can say. But what's going to happen today? Let's find that out from daily chart. In daily, we have a very... Yeah, you see here this trend going down, days since 30th of May. So since last 10 days, dollar had been going down against this JPY, right? Now we have to keep an eye if this red candle of today is going to break this previous low or not. More likely it might turn into a double bottom, or maybe this might even turn into a doji candle, okay? So the US shift has started just now when I'm recording the video, okay? So I have to wait what happens with this daily candle by tonight, okay? So this candle either, I think we have three possibilities. It will either break this low and close below, or it will turn into a double bottom in daily, or it might be a doji and go up. I don't know, okay? So let's go back to 4 hour for some more clarity. In 4 hour again, we are clearly down. We have broken all the previous lows, okay? So yeah, this is a new low. We will be stupid to enter a short right now. I will be a moron if I go short right now, okay? What I'm going to do is, if you want to trade USDJPY, I think we're done for today. I think USDJPY doesn't have a trading opportunity unless trade, counter trade, and take a long, okay? If you're a swing trader, what you have to do is you have to wait the next week, wait for the pullback to happen. And for that pullback, you have to see if that will be a trend reversal or that will be only the pullback to 50% and then continue down. Okay, for example, we might go up and break this previous high. If we break this previous high, then that will be the start of a new uptrend. Okay. Otherwise, if we only take our fib levels from here till here, and then if it only goes for 38%, 58% after that, you have a red confirmation candle, then you can enter there with 1:2 ratio, and then you can continue taking your short trades. Okay. If you like what you see, subscribe, share the video, and for now, if you're a swing trader for today, I don't see any opportunity in USDJPY because the pullback is about to come. Okay, so we have to enter a short after the pullback only. If you're a swing trader, till then, have fun. Good. What is this? This is our weekend. Have a nice weekend and enjoy. I guess subscribe, like, share, and check out these things, Telegram, and all that. Join the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, good one. Have a good one.